would like to thank to the God for His blessing, so I can stay healthy, and I can here to give a speech. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hendra. I'm from LB 51, and I want to give a speech about social media and communication. Nowadays, social media is very important for many people. Social media like a part of their life. If they're not using it for a while, they can be stressed and very bored. So, what is social media and why social media can make effect like that? Social media are computer-based technology that allow the creating and sharing of information, ideas, career interests, and of other form of expression via virtual communities and networking. From that definition, we can conclude that we can get and sharing information, ideas, and career interests. That's why some people can get very bored if they are not using it for a while. For some people, social media is a place to express themselves. And of course, social media has advantages and disadvantages. The first advantages of social media are worldwide connectivity. No matter if you are searching for a former college, roommate, your first grade teacher, or an international friend, no easier or faster way to make the connection exists than social media. Although Facebook, Twitter, this connection can help with a variety of things such as seeking a new job, making or receiving career, or personal advice and finding romance. The second of advantages is real-time information sharing. Many social networking sites incorporate an instant messages feature, which lets people exchange information in real time via a chat. The third of the advantages is increasing news cycle speed. Undoubtedly, social networking has revolutionized the speed of the news cycle. Most news organizations now rely on social media sites to collect and share information. Social media, especially Twitter, is steadily becoming a mainstream source for breaking news. Today, an individual can know in real time what is happening throughout the world. And the fourth is staying connected with the social media. We will be able to stay connected to friends and families in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world. You are able to rekindle of friendship, share family photo, and special event in your life with just about everyone you know at the same time. The fifth of the advantages is how to catch and convict criminal. People often do not think of the consequence of what they post of these social sites. Picture of themselves doing illegal things or even breaking posts about crimes they have committed are things that law enforcement use to prosecute these criminals. They also use this site to identify and solve existing cases. That's the advantages, and now I will move to the disadvantages of the social media. The disadvantages, the first one is false and unreliable information. Just like that stated, anything can spread to millions of people within hours of days on social media. This also, unfortunately, includes things that are false or made up. This information can cause panic and suffer misinformation in society. And the second disadvantage is the addiction of social media. It is the real one of the biggest problem with the social media that make people are becoming more and more addicted to using a social media in school and at home. All of this has caused people to have literal withdrawal from their social networks. The third of disadvantages is causing major relationship problems. Online social interaction with social networking have not only been starting new relationship, but ending many others. It is very simple to communicate and share pictures or plans with a person on social media and keep it completely under wraps. This new temptation has been driving ways into people's life. Offline relationship often time ending them for good. Social networking put trust to the limits. And the fourth disadvantages is used to profile and discriminate in the job world. Just about everyone has a social media account. They show what they look like, the type of life that they live, and how old they are. And why are using this to their advantages is some very unsettling ways. Jobs that are looking for a certain criteria of person but cannot legally express these criteria are using social media to pre-screen their applicants. The five disadvantages is cyberbullying is a growing problem have access to people's life at all times. It is not always a good thing. A new trend of cyberbullying is wreaking havoc across the world. This is especially true with young kids. They are publicly harassing one another and posting memes or slanderous things which are broadcasted to the entire cyber world. So, from all I have said to you, the conclusion is social media is an important thing to us because there are so many benefits that we can take. But social media can make a disadvantages for us too. Now, after we know all of the problem, the problem is on you now. You want to be a smart user or a bad user? I think this about my speech. I'm sorry if I have said a word that may help you. Thank you very much for your attention. I will see you all again in the next class.